Hello. Have you encountered this camera problem? If not yet, maybe sooner. So let's talk about on how to fix and what could be the possible problem of this camera. Okay. So first, review the channel of that camera and trace if what was the possible time or what could be the possible weather, especially when your camera is installed outdoor. Okay, so first review, check those channel, then analyze, then check the time and dates on what time the problem of that camera did. So as you see, it happens only at night when the light is off. So when the light is on, the camera is okay. Okay, so then try to check the dates in other dates if the camera has the same problem. And if you want to confirm, you may try to switch off the light to make the area dark so that the infrared of the camera and the LED will function. So in the time that the LED is functioning, the infrared, the night vision is functioning, this happens. Okay, so this means that there's a loss of lack of power supply, so low voltage. Okay, you may try to locate the power supply of that camera. Okay, then try replacing it. If you are using centralized power supply, you have to trace the power supply line of that camera. Okay, so the power supply of this camera is this. I have to replace it sooner. So you may use centralized power supply or an individual power supply like that, or maybe other model. Other installers are using this kind of power supply, but it is only advisable when the camera is near. But when the camera is too far, you must have an individual power supply to that specific camera, okay, to avoid voltage loss. So I have to replace the defective power supply with a new one, and then let's try to check if it functions well. Okay, so that's it. I have already replaced the defective power supply, so that's it. It's a 3 ampere 12 volt 3 ampere, okay, output 12 volt 3 ampere. Then I use power supply. I replaced it with a 12 volt 2 ampere power supply. Okay, so we will try to check if the camera has a problem when the area is dark. Let's try switching off the light. Then okay, the camera is functioning very well. Is infrared, okay, black and white. It's functioning very well. So the only problem is the power supply. Okay, the problem has been fixed. Okay, but when your if your camera is installed outdoor, you may also check the connections of the video balloons or the BNC connectors. Sometimes they get rusty, especially when the installation is improper. Okay, so that's it for today. So for more CCTV tutorials, you may click subscribe. Thank you.